it will be decided by Power Automate. So how to do that? Basically, the formulas behind this is the purpose of making this video, because these are very difficult to get, and this will be into three small videos. So I will be sharing the first part, in which the main focus will be around the FX language being used here, because in internet it is very difficult, and in ChatGPT also you will not be able to easily locate the formula behind this. That is why I'm specially highlighting this. So for making the trigger, currently I'm using manually triggering a flow, but you can replace it with schedule run flow. I will tell it later how to do that. And the second part will be the location. So it can be from OneDrive, and then the file location and the table. So if you are new to this, the table needs to be formatted in Excel. It should be formatted as table for Power Automate to recognize it. And the main part for which I'm taking this session is compose input. So just I will mention this in description also. So it is very important for like your Excel column, which is your date column, to be first be converted into binary content. So it will take this formula, okay, and then the output of this input output needs to be taken into condition. Condition means uh, Power Automate will check if the day, like if it is 17th May today. So if the input which we have provided from Excel in Power Automate is matching today's date. So these three FX formulas are very important for you to make a Power Automate flow. And first, in this step, it will take the data from Excel. In condition, it will match if the output of the Excel column, which is our date of birth column, is matching today's date. Both today's date and Excel date needs to be converted using FX formula. So what is this formula? It is into this FX screen, okay, and in this you can paste this formula. So I will just do it in front of you. Okay, this is how you have to copy paste this, and click on OK. I think I'm already pasting it. So this is how you can just paste it. So, and similarly you have to do it in this condition and matching with this. And if the output is yes, then we will create a second flow, which is easy. However, like basically just putting an email address, and if the condition matches, then we can send out the mail. So I just want to do so send an email. Okay, so I just put my email address. Subject line is okay. In second part of the video, I will show you how to put an animated card or birthday card or GIF directly into the email body, which will be an HTML content. So I will just click on save. Now I can open my Gmail site. Okay, so meanwhile, Power Automate have done the job. So we can see Power Automate have taken the input from Excel in this format, where we have it was in DDMM format, but our FX formula has changed it to MMDD, and it has matched both Excel data with today's date with 17 and 17 there,